itself is 1%, then you are losing out on a significant amount of return to the market. This is very, very important because if you are paying the bid ask, then you are losing out on your profits. Your order is also taking hundreds of milliseconds to reach the exchange. So you are far, far behind. You should be able to get in as a passive person. That means you do not have to hit a market order or cross the bid ask and hit the other side. Because that itself is 1%, then you are losing out on a significant amount of return to the market. You should be able to get in passively, which is by placing a limit order at the best bid or the best ask. This is very, very important because if you are paying the bid ask, then you are losing out on your profits. The retail trading platforms that are available give you one tick per second and the million ticks happen in a second. So they are giving you information which is kind of slow. And when you are looking at this data, which comes to you after hundreds of milliseconds, you are already far behind the curve in terms of time. And when you respond back to it, your order is also taking hundreds of milliseconds to reach the exchange. So you are far, far behind. So if you look at Arrow servers are based out of Mumbai, and the OMS, which is the tech part which handles your order, is placed in the co-location. And what essentially happens is that it is only 60 microseconds away from the exchange. However, the Arrow platform, so if you look at any other platform, it is like 30 milliseconds away, whereas we are only 3 to 4 milliseconds away from Mumbai. So we did this trade on a Arrow platform and we compared it with two other brokers in Indian market, and we placed trade in Idea at the same time when the market was open, and we sent the order through API to all the three brokers including Arrow. And what essentially it did was it placed an order to broker and it took 40 milliseconds. Arrow took 3.5 milliseconds and Dhan took 36 milliseconds. Now we replace the order and again we see the order for Arrow was around 3.6 millis while the other brokers were at 40 milli kind of numbers.